Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you are here. In the next 10 minutes, we are going to draw this lovely illustration. Make sure to stay to the end. First, let's extract the color palette from previous picture. You could learn the drawing process of page 9 to 10 by the link anytime. So now, let's have a drawing today. You know the rule. Sketch is always the first step. We need to decide the main elements of this illustration. This story is closely following the previous one. Our red panda and the little flower drop from the waterfall and meet elves. What will happen next? Well, I want the story goes to a warm direction, so I hope they become very good friends, not enemies. And I imagine the little flower will sing and dance with the elves, while our red panda will rest at the branch of a big tree. You could think he is sleeping or enjoying this beautiful moment. Now let's design our red panda. Based on the sketch, I will color it first. To make sure it's consistent, I will reference my previous red panda designs. After coloring, I will give it a very basic textured shadow and lighting. This will give us a better guide for the background design. After all, the whole illustration is mainly around our main characters, right? Back to our story. I spent some time fixing the shape of this big tree. It's pretty boring, so I skipped this process to save some time. After that, I start to design our little flower. This little guy should be really excited and happy because she just makes some new friends. How I will express this kind of emotion? Let's see. background. The tree is the main element we need to draw. To make it unique, I will add some special flower-shaped leaves on it. And its main color is not green, but red and yellow. I want to use this way to make it stand out. Never ignore the details. They will make your illustrations more attractive. Now we have almost completed the entire background work. Thank you very much for still being here. Next, let's add more textured, warmer and cooler lighting to the red panda, which help it better blend into the background. In the end, add some elves and atmosphere. Make some slight hue adjustments. Congratulations! You just see the birth of a lovely children's book illustration. Hopefully, you love this creation process. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Do not forget to turn on the bell just in case missing any of my great videos. See you next time. Bye.